Automate maintenance work orders based on asset meter readings. Automation management begins in maintenance to streamline equipment upkeep through usage-based monitoring. The meter trigger listing displays active thresholds and current monitoring status across all assets. Adding a new trigger establishes the specific conditions required to initiate a maintenance event. Runtime meter tracks cumulative operational hours to trigger service based on actual usage. Asset selection links the monitoring rule to a specific piece of equipment in the fleet. Trigger mechanism determines if the system creates a formal maintenance task or a simple warning. Trigger type defines the mathematical logic used to evaluate incoming meter readings. Trigger frequency sets whether the event occurs every time a limit is reached or only once. Threshold value establishes the exact numerical point where the system identifies a need for service. Due date fields record the specific calendar deadline for completing the resulting maintenance. Due frequency schedules recurring intervals to ensure consistent long-term equipment reliability. Work order title provides a clear administrative label for the task generated by this trigger. Procedure attachment links standardized technical instructions directly to the automated work order. Priority levels categorize the urgency of the task to help teams manage their workload effectively. Department assignment routes the resulting maintenance request to the appropriate internal team. Description provides additional technical context regarding the specific maintenance requirements for the asset. File attachments allow for the inclusion of external manuals or diagnostic specifications. Saving the configuration activates the real-time monitoring of asset meters against the defined limits. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.